back to another editing tutorial. Today we'll be going over basic edits. So I'm just going to show you how to do a basic edit on a photo just to enhance it and make it look a lot better. This shouldn't take too long because it's just a couple of basic edits. So first off, I'm going to start off by cropping. So let's do a 2x3 crop or 3x2. Let's crop it in like this. Make sure the aircraft is in the center of the crop box. A little bit tighter. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to level it because it's not level, so that building in the back, I'm going to level my crop with that. So it's going to be parallel to the grid lines. And that seems good. Okay. So this is a pretty good crop. Let's check it. Yeah, it's a pretty good crop. Next, I'm going to do some contrast because white balance looks fine. So I'm going to add some contrast, add some blacks, up the exposure by 0.05. No, it's 0.05. There you go. So now it looks a lot brighter. I'm going to put some shadows just to brighten it up a bit more. Put some highlights up just to make it pop out, just to make the plane pop. I'm not going to do that, but I am going to make the plane pop out more. So there you go, the plane is nicely exposed. The whites and the highlights have popped. Exposure. Histogram looks good. Background is dark, but okay. Let's go for 0.3 exposure. So this is really nicely exposed. Shadows are good. Highlights and whites are good. Histograms, highlights and shadows are not clipped. So let's check around with the color. I'll go for color a bit more in the next tutorial or in the next few tutorials. But I'll add some luminance to blues just to make the picture brighter, making blues pop out a bit more. Other color looks good. There's no distracting colors. So I'm gonna add some clarity, add some texture. Note that this is not a jet photos edit. This is just a basic edit that will make the plane look good. If you want to learn about jet photos is different type of edit. I'll go over that a bit more later. We'll add some sharpening. Just make the plane sharp. Add some noise reduction, reduce noise. Looks good. Color noise reduction. Aberration. Enable lens corrections. Lens corrections will get rid of the vignetting distortion caused by your lens. Also make the picture look brighter. And now you see this is a very beautiful and sharp picture of a United Express E175. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's perfectly sharp, and that's an easy edit. If you want the original, that was the original, and we popped it out to be like this. Yeah, so basically that's it for today's tutorial. It's pretty easy. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope this helped. Feel free to check out the other tutorials